Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to make sure everyone can see your photo story on Facebook using the latest update. If you want to share your story with a larger audience and ensure it's visible to everyone, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the steps. First, open Facebook on your computer. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an option to create a story. Click on Create a Story to get started. Next, choose Create a Photo Story from the options that appear. This allows you to share a photo instead of a video or text-only story. Now, select the photo you want to share. Once you've picked the photo, click Open to upload it to your story. If you want to adjust the photo, you can crop or rotate it to make sure it looks just right. Take your time to perfect the image. After that, you'll see a text box on the left side of the screen. Here, you can type a message or caption for your story. You also have the option to choose a font that suits your style. Next, look for the small gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and click it to open the settings. In the Settings menu, select Public. This option will make your story visible to everyone on Facebook, not just your friends or a custom group of people. Once you've selected Public, click Save to apply the changes. Finally, click Share to Story, and your photo story will be shared with everyone on Facebook. And that's it. Now you know how to make sure everyone can see your photo story on Facebook. It's an easy way to expand your reach and share moments with a larger audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.